60 seconds you need to know before you go. Jon Najarian here. Check out 3 at 3 every business day. Why? Well, I think we talked about CPRI Holdings, CPRI, and they just blew it out. A luxury goods maker absolutely exploding higher by better than 12% today. Bang! Take a look at Macy's. They reported a first quarter loss of $2.03 a share. You wonder how much longer that can keep up. United Airlines adding 25,000 flights in August. Constellation Brands said adjusted profit was $2.30, easily beating the $2 a share the street was looking for. General Mills, $1.10 a share, 4 cents above street. And of course, those revised numbers in the ADP. Oh my gosh, going from a negative 2-point-something million to positive 3-point-something million might be a good lead through into tomorrow's jobs report. I am Jon Najarian from marketrebellion.com. Let's get out there and make some money. Bang!